In this video, we will be showing you how to install your Clatterans CL-Z011 replacement filter number 4 ice and water refrigerators. Step 1. Remove your new filter from its packaging. Step 2. Locate your filter in your refrigerator. For filter number 4, you will find it inside in the upper right-hand corner of the ceiling. Filter covers will have one of two different types of releases, push or pull. For the push style filter cover, release the cover by pushing in on the tab and slightly downward. For the pull style filter cover, release the cover by pulling the tab gently toward the front. Step 3. To replace a used filter, unscrew and remove the cartridge by turning it counterclockwise until it releases and then pulls straight out. Note, excess water may spill from the old filter, so have a towel handy. Step 4. Time to install your new Clatterans filter. With the threads facing towards the back, align the filter with the opening in the refrigerator and push in until seated. Turn the filter clockwise approximately 1/4 of a turn until the filter stops. Close the filter cover by lightly lifting it from underneath and pressing upward until it snaps shut. Now flush water from the dispenser for 5 minutes, or approximately 3 gallons, to clear the system and prevent air from entering. Note, the initial flow rate may be slower than expected. Full flow rate should be restored within 24 to 36 hours. If needed, reset the filter indicator light by holding the reset button for 3 to 5 seconds until it turns green. To maximize contaminant reduction, including pharmaceuticals, replace your filter every 6 months. Clatterans, keeping the whole family safe and hydrated.